Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to convert Facebook profile to a page. Open the Facebook app on your cell phone. Now go to your profile and tap on the three dots at the mid right. Now at the bottom, copy your profile link. Now go to your Facebook and tap on the three lines and go to Help Center. Now search for Switch My Profile to a page. Now once you're in the result, you need to take it to Facebook. So we are going to give a feedback to Facebook and leave a link of our profile and request them to turn it into a page. Now here, you can fill the form and submit it. And hopefully Facebook is going to reach out to you and turn your profile into a page. Don't forget to subscribe.